Hey clean freaks! In today's video, I'm going to see if a dishwasher can clean a range hood vent. Let's go! So as you can see, this range hood vent is pretty filthy. It's been about 2.5 years since I got it, and it's just covered in lots of dust, lots of grease. I don't know if you can get this, my fingers are pretty gross after this. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to see if I can just place these in the dishwasher, run it through a cycle, and if it gets rid of all the grease and dust. Okay, so let's give it a shot. I'm going to try putting them in the top of the dishwasher, just so it doesn't get sprayed too hard by the water. Actually, that's not gonna fit, so let's just go with the bottom. I'll put them a little evenly spaced out. I'll put one in here, put another one here in the middle, and I'll put one more over here on the other side. In case if anyone's wondering, I'm using Finish Quantum Ultimate. This is a newer one that I've been giving a shot, and I don't even know if this actually does anything, but I kind of like these because I think it looks cool how you have the yellow, red ball, and the powder in different compartments. So let's pop it in. And I'll check back with you after I run a cycle. Alright, moment of truth. Let's see how it looks. Alrighty, so right off the bat I'm noticing it's not 100% clean. There is still some grease appearing, so I have two options here. I can either wipe it down and see if that fixes it, or I could try running it on another cycle and see if the second cycle gets it fully clean. What I'm going to do now is turn them the opposite way, just to switch up where everything is getting sprayed, and I'm going to run it one more time and see how that turns out. Let's put one more pod in and close it up. Alrighty, time for the big reveal. Let's see. Alrighty, so it's definitely looking cleaner. I wouldn't say it's 100% clean. This side's a bit better, but I don't know what you can see. There are some, get the cloth here, some of that water. There still are some marks, but basically I think a quick wipe down should pretty much clean it up. So as for the original question, will a dishwasher clean the range hood vents? I'd say you give 2 cycles there, it'll get you 90% of the way there, and then just a little bit of spraying should finish the job. What I'm going to do here is use a vinegar spray and just a cloth to wipe down the rest. So yeah, nothing too fancy here, just making sure to get between all of the grates. So I mean, if you're not looking for it to look 100% brand new, just want a basic clean, so it's not entirely covered in grease, oil, and dust, running the dishwasher can do a pretty decent job of cleaning your range hood, and then a little bit of elbow grease, and you're done. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!